That's a Mgwaqo.
Yebo! Let's go! I'm Sunny Bonani, Dumelang, I'm Shirley. Hello, low, 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 low. Hi guys, my name is Ponkosi. The channel is Mgwaqo Creates. Thank you so much for making us stop. It's a beautiful Monday. It is lunchtime and I'm working from home, and I've decided to take a Iran stop at Dolobin. Yeah, I have to handle some business quick and fast, and I'm really putting pressure on this week. I want it to be a good one. I want it to be a very productive one as well. I've been unwell whilst babysitting, and I've recovered. I've rested. I actually spent my rent this weekend. I stayed home. I did step out, kancane, but all in all, I stayed indoors and took it easy and did minimal gym work on my body. And now I'm recovered and I feel very centered, very grounded. All those good words that mean I'm in control. Yeah, so the top of my mind this week is really to move my body. I need to move my body because that's part of my routine. I've got pressure to start moving my body because I signed up for this bar women's race. It's in June. We are in May. I'm an overachiever, and I signed up for 10Ks. I've barely ran 5Ks this year, but I have actually been moving when it comes to walking. A couple 30 minutes and 10,000 steps here and there. Consistency, baby girl, hasn't been on par, and this is gonna be a bit of a challenge, but I'm up for it. And how these big cars. Okay, sharp. Yeah, so come along with me if this is your first time on the channel. I really hope you stick around. Check out my other videos that show you a bit of Durban city, things to do in Durban. I've got a few of those. Otherwise, like, enjoy, engage with me in the comments. Yeah, I see baby. Baby girl is shopping for a new hot water bottle. I see collab, but uthini ngokumesha? Uthini ngokumesha? Ngicela ubuke detail address, and my hot water bottle is ripped. Oh, fun. Yeah, paper towel. When are we Malin? Okay. Yeah, we just want paper towel. Did you hear that ad? I look like a scout. Nothing is scout. It's the colors as well. They usually have that necktie thing, and they have green caps. No man tabang at the Maritzburg boys schools. Anyways, the advert that just played on radio. That's the new KPI I was talking about in one of my previous videos. I was talking about how a colleague hooked me up with a new KPI, and now I get to be involved in the neck radio adverts. That was one of them. Shout out to the big guy, shout out to the vessels, shout out to the community. So these are my plans for dinner. I marinated this earlier on, and either with some veggies. From couscous or in the fridge, I'll mix a bit of that with veggies for maybe lunch. I do think it's enough, so I need a break in between. Kodwa, I do think finally paid it. Way better. Spinach, apple and cucumber smoothie. I'm gonna add some lemon juice with ginger. Actually, this was my mix for mkhuhlane, but it will do me good as well. Immune system booster. My ginger taste is a bit strong, ne? But I see kolakho. Sanmani Ninjani Sibonge Sibonge Uzulu ukuthi siphiwe banana la. I grabbed one. Okay, so I'm delivering this bag. It's a side hustle of mine. I have people trunk on Instagram, and I've got a client not far from where I live, so I'm doing a free delivery for her. It's at the engine garage. She works here. She just asked me the one time I was shopping, "Oh, Woody, where did I get my bag?" And I was like, I'm a plug girl. And then she bought one, and then this is the second one. I actually had this up on my WhatsApp stories, well, the business WhatsApp stories, last night, and she bought it there and there. We are happy.
It's quick, the intensity is there, the runs that
Yellow, welcome to Tuesday. I'm lying. It's Wednesday. I am calling it Tuesday because it's the second day I'm going to work. I'm only sure Mondays work from home, so confusion is there. God doggy, we are grateful. We're in a good space. I suspect the run has this good effect on me. Naizolo, I told the colleague, get happy. Get all the happiness. It publish under. Yeah, but we are happy. Get in the bag. Securing this bag. Yay!
Do you like chocolate? Do you guys like chocolate? Yeah, I do like chocolate.
take one for a table.
Yeah, I want the same thing for our
You ordered
table.
this.
Okay, want this one then, so.
I like chocolate.
I'm not good at this. Sure. Drugs.
Luna tasted all of them.
Banggen again. Banggen again. Yeah, go! Well done, cuz.
They work together, they train together, let me tell you.
Bebe ujonga nje. Bebe ujonga.